Hi, I'm Chimney Chuck, and I want to talk to you today about gas fireplace uses and maintenance. So, a lot of people think because you're burning gas, you don't have to do anything to the system. That's totally incorrect. Virtually all manufacturers ask you to have a yearly service done on the system to check all the internal components as well as the venting system. And the National Fire Protection Association and the Chimney Safety Institute of America recommend yearly chimney inspections, even if it is for a set of gas logs or a sealed gas fireplace or a gas stove. That's something we do. We have a specialty certification for that. Our chimney specialist also is an NFI certified gas technician. When we come out, we're going to service everything from top to bottom, the venting system, the clearances to combustibles, and how the burner system looks and works, whether it's thermocouple, thermal pile, the standing pilot light, or the electronic ignition. It's just like your car, and it needs to be checked every year and needs a tune-up every year. So if that's something we can help you with, please reach out to us. Our website is cleansweepaa.com. We make chimneys healthy. You can call us at 410-590-4800. I'm Chimney Chuck. Please reach out to us. We'd like to help you.